Hi guys, welcome to RS Technology. My name is Sai Kumar. In this session, we are going to learn logical operators. What are the logical operators? There are three types of logical operator in C language. We will see one by one. First of all, we have logical and operator. Logical and operator. Second one, we have logical or operator. Logical or operator. Third one we have not operator. Not operator. These are the logical operators we have. Uh, the logical operators are used to combine two or more expressions. What guys? The logical operators are used to combine two or more expressions. For example, we will see not true. Not true means what? If an expression is not true, means it is a false, right? One more thing, not false means true, right? Okay, we will see one example. For example, I have 3 greater than 2 logical AND operator and 8 not equal to 4. You will see here 3 greater than 2 and 8 not equal to 4. We have two expressions. Okay, I will take a paintbrush. Okay, here we can see in the left side expression 3 greater than 2. So the condition is true. So in C language, if the condition is true, the result is 1. And right side condition we will see here 8 not is equal to 4. Obviously 8 not is equal to 4. So condition is true. So it will give result as 1. Then the AND operator works between these 1 and 1. So true and true. Okay. True and true means the result also true. The result also true. In this expression, we observe that the AND operator works like first it condition checks in left side. If the condition is true, the compiler checks the right side condition. If the first condition is false, it never checks right side condition. It will give error. So in AND operator, if the both conditions are true, then only result is true. If one condition is false, the result will be false. Okay, the result will be false. We will see one more example. 5 less than or equal to 2. Here I am taking OR operator and 9 greater than 8.2. 8.2. So the OR operator is works like if any condition is true, the resultant value is true. If both condition is false, then only the result will be false. Here we can see here 5 greater than or equal to 2. 5 is not greater than or equal to, sorry, 5 is less than or equal to 2. So the condition is false. So the result is 0. And next right side operation will see 9 greater than 8.2. 9 greater than 8.2. So 9 is always greater than 8.2. Then the result will be true. So it will return 0. The OR operator checks if any condition is true, then resultant value will be true. The result value will be true. We'll take one more example here. Not in the bracket I am taking 8 greater than 4. 8 greater than 4. So first it will check the value in the bracket. So 8 greater than 4. The condition is true. It will return 1. The 8 greater than 4. It will return true. 1 means true. So here we have not symbol. Not symbol. Not applied here. Not true means false. Not true means false. Not true means false. We will see one more example. Like here, I will take not 7 greater than or is equal to 3 and operator 8 less than or equal to 2. 8 less than or equal to 2. First it will check left side condition not 7 greater than or is equal to 3. First it will check the expression 7 greater than or equal to 3. So 7 greater than or equal to 3 is the true condition. It will not check first not symbol. It will check only condition. 7 greater than or equal to 3 is the true. So it will return here 1. And it will check the right side condition. 8 less than or equal to 2. So condition is false. So it will return 0. So here in the AND operator, both the conditions true only, the result will be true. Otherwise, the result will be false. So it will return 0. So here twist is the not operators works now. Not operator works on 0. Not 0 means the result is 1. Not true means false. Not false means true. So result is true. Here we can see truth table. I am taking operator, expression 1, expression 2, result. I am taking here operator, expression 1, expression 2, result. First I will take AND operator, logical AND operator. First of all, we will see the first expression is true and second expression is true. Then only the result is true. Okay. And one more thing we will see. First expression is true. Second expression is false. So then it will give false because in AND operator both the condition will be true. And one more thing we will see. The first expression is false. Second expression is true. This time also it will give false. Okay. This time also it will give false. The first expression is false. The second expression is also false. The result also false. This is the working style of logical AND operator. Then we will see logical OR operator. In logical OR operator, the first condition is true and second condition is true and the result also true. If the first condition is true and the second condition is false, also the result is true. And if the first condition is false, the second condition is true, the result will be true. And if the first condition is false, second condition is also false, then only result is false. These are the and logical OR operators working style. We will see some examples. We will see in this expression. For example, here we have OR operator and operator. So as per C language, the first preference goes to AND operator. Okay, the compiler first checks AND operator. So compiler directly come to here, the checks the left side and right side values of the uh, AND operator. Then only it will go to OR operator. So here we can see 14 greater than or equal to 6. So it, the condition will be true and it will return true. So it will return 1. Okay. And 7 less than or equal to 3. So it is false. It will return what? 0. So it will false. And the 0 and 1. We have already know if the both conditions true only the result is true. One condition is false, the result also false. So here result is 0. Okay, then it will compare OR operator with the resultant value. So small a is 97, small b, which is capital B, is the 65. So the condition will be true. So it will return 1. 1 or 0. In OR operator, any condition is true, the result also true. The result also true. So then it will give 1 as the output. 1 as the look at this expression, guys. Just I have given braces to this expression. Uh, what will happen? Always prefer goes to BODMAS rule. The BODMAS rule, first it will check bracket, then it will check in the bracket, and the next it will check in AND operator. Okay, first A is equal to B. The condition is false. So here we will see 14 greater than 6. The condition is true. So in OR operator, any condition is true, the result also true. Now it will check with AND operator. So here is 1, 7 is equal to 3. Result is 0. The result is 0. Now true and false. The result is false. AND operator must and should both the conditions will be true. Then only result will be true. Otherwise, result will be false. Here are double equal to. Here also double equal to. Okay. In this expression, we will see I have given braces. First inner side will check for expression. Left side expression it will check. Then only it will check right side expression. After checking, it will apply not operator. We will see first expression 5 greater than or equal to 4. Condition is true. Then it will apply not operator. Not true means false. Okay. It will check right side. 8 less than or equal to false. So then you apply not operator. Not true means, sorry, not false means true. Okay. Now the AND operator works between these two. 0 and 1 means false and true means false only. Then the outer not operator works. So not false means the result is true. The result is okay, guys. This is the working style of logical operators. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.